If you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, or an employee or consultant that works in any kind of production environment, you know that measuring cycle times it's crucial to make that business work better and be more profitable. So I'm going to show you a way that you can measure cycle times using this mapping platform. So in this case, we're going to measure how long does it take to do this little product that involves laser cutting, cleaning some parts, assembling those parts, and basically cleaning and packaging. This is a very simple production environment. So with Gekko, this mapping tool that allows you to create boxes, put them in different places, mark the ones that are not completed or something that you feel like needs some attention, you can actually measure costs in terms of money and time. So in this case, because I created all of these boxes, we are gonna put some times in them. So the first part is laser cutting. This is the first part that you have that you need to cut with this laser machine. It can be anything really, it's just an example. But as you can see, if we go down every time we double click in a box, or we can input revenue, expenses, we can actually say, is this a daily expense, monthly or yearly? And we can do the same with time. In this case, we're gonna say that the first cutting stage is gonna take us 45 minutes and it's gonna be productive time. We can mark it right there and we're gonna click save. Then we're gonna do the same with all of the parts. We're gonna say that cleaning those parts it's actually 10 minutes and I don't want to say it's productive time, so I'm gonna mark it as waiting time, and I'm gonna show you why later. So the same with laser cutting the part 2, let's say it's another 30 minutes, it's gonna be productive time this time, and we're gonna do the same with the rest. So now we have all the data in all of our cycle, and if you have been following my other videos, you can see that in this software called Gekko, you have a data mode, and now we can see all the time that we have taken. But if you export all of this data as a PDF, you will see that we're gonna have basically a report of our process. As you can see, all of the times that we input in the boxes are gonna be here, and everything that is non-productive is gonna be marked as waiting times in this case. And the cool thing about that, if you have ever been in a production environment, you know that the waiting times are dead times and we need to do something to reduce them. So this is a pretty good tool to kind of have an idea of our cycle times, what times can be reduced in terms of waiting times that we're not doing anything. And if we go back to our software, again, on the data mode, we can actually see that, and we can put specific dates to them. If we click over here, we can actually put another date that you want to have, and you can create a bunch of processes with different times so you will know exactly when it's going to be done. So this is cycle times in Gekko.